Introduction. Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the process of creating and managing projects in Gamma AI. Whether you're new to this tool or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you get started. Step 1. Accessing Gamma AI. First, let's navigate to the Gamma AI platform. Open your web browser and type in Gamma AI in the search bar, or directly go to the official website. This is the main page of Gamma, where you have to click on Sign Up for free. To step 2, creating a new project. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to sign in with your credentials or create a new account. Here I am, selecting Continue with Google. Selecting my email ID. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. To begin, click on the Create New button, located at the top left corner of the page. This will open a page where you can choose the type of project you want to create. This will give you 3 options: paste in text, generate with AI, import file, or URL. Step 3. Selecting the project template. After selecting Generate with AI, it will ask, what would you like to create today? Where Select Presentation, where default options are given for 8 cards means slides. Now we are giving a prompt to make a presentation on topic social media marketing. Click on Generate Outline. It started creating outline for the slide. Just below Gamma AI offers several templates to help you start your project quickly. Step 4. Customizing your project. Below this, we are getting options for amount of text per card. Here, we are selecting Brief. Now, we want to see more themes. Click on View More. Click on Professional, explore the designs. Click on Colorful. We are selecting the theme Aurora. Now see how it will look like. Once everything is selected, click on Generate and see the magic of AI. Step 5. Previewing your project. Once you've made all your changes, it's time to preview your work. To do this, click on the Preview button at the top right corner. This will show you how your project will look to others, giving you a chance to ensure everything is working as expected. Step 6. Explore more options. On the top right corner, some more options are given like Theme, Share, Edit all cards with AI. Step 7. Sharing your project. Now that you're happy with your project, it's time to share it. To do this, click the Share button located next to the Preview button. You can choose to share your project via a link or embed it directly into your website or presentation. And Step 8. Exporting the project. If you'd like to download your project for offline use, you can easily export it. Simply click the Export button, select your preferred file format, and hit Download. Now you have a copy that you can use anywhere. That's all for today's tutorial. You've now learned how to create, customize, preview, and share projects in Gamma AI. We hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy creating!